This Hirschi Realtors property video is presented by Sandie Hadsell. This charming 4-bed, 2-bath home near Sheppard Airforce Base features fresh paint and a spacious interior, including 2 living areas and a separate utility room. The clean galley-style kitchen boasts stainless steel appliances and gas cooking. Outside, you will find a great backyard with a workshop and a 2-car carport. The large covered back porch is perfect for outdoor entertaining. A shaded front yard with a beautiful mature tree enhances tranquility and curb appeal. Come take a look at this home today. For more information, review the details below or contact Sandie Hadsell at 940-692-8120.